video, we are going to see some important questions regarding the topic crop production and management. So first here, as I said earlier, crop. Crop is nothing but when plants of the same kind are cultivated, that is nothing but grown at one place on a large scale, it is called as what? Crop. Okay? When plants in a large scale are grown in a particular area, then that is called as what? Crop. So, kharif crop. The crops which are sown in the rainy season, they are called as what? Kharif crops. So, as I said earlier, the kharif crops are also called as what? Summer crops, because they are sown in summer season. And rabi crops, the crops grown in winter season, they are called as what? Rabi crops. Why they are called as winter crops? Because they are sown in winter season. Okay. So next we are having is tilling or plowing. Both are same. Tilling or plowing, both are same. Tilling or plowing is nothing but the process of loosening and turning of the soil is called as what? Plowing. Here, which implement is used? We are going to use plow. Okay. With the help of plow, the tilling or the plowing is done. So next, manure. Manure is nothing but organic substances, okay, that are obtained from the decomposition of the plant or the animal waste, okay. The animal waste like cow dung, okay, all the dungs or the plant waste, animal waste, all are together dumped into a particular area, and there the decomposition of plants and animals is going to take place, and it is going to convert it into a nutrient medium called as what? Manure. So, manure and fertilizers both are same, we can say, but these are man-made and these are natural, we can say. We can say natural, these are man-made chemical things, okay. So, these are inorganic substances that apply to the soil or a plant to supply nutrients for the growth of the plants, okay. So next is crop rotation. So crop rotation is nothing but when we are going to add fertilizers to the soil or plants, what happens? The soil is going to get less fertile, okay? The soil gets less fertile. Due to this, the next season plants are not going to get sufficient nutrients, okay? That's the reason why the plants are not going to grow well after the one crop. So, to minimize this thing or to balance this thing, what we have to do? We have to grow other plants instead of. So, this process is called as what? Crop rotation. So, it is the practice of planting different crops alternatively, that is nothing but one after another on the same land to improve soil health, okay. This is nothing but crop rotation. Now irrigation. So irrigation is nothing but to supply water to the plants at the regular intervals, okay. So the process or the supply of water to crops at regular intervals is nothing but irrigation. So we are having irrigational methods, traditional method and modern method. Traditional methods are nothing but old methods, okay. Traditional methods are nothing but old methods. Modern is nothing but present new methods, okay. So what are those traditional methods? Moat, chain system, dekli, rahat. These are less efficient. So that's the reason why we are having modern methods. So what are those? Sprinkler system or drip irrigation. Sprinkle irrigation or drip irrigation. So sprinkler irrigation is nothing but water is planted in this sprinkle manner. Okay, water to the plant is supplied in a sprinkler manner. Drip irrigation is nothing but to the roots of the plants. Pipelines will be connected and by drop the water is going to supply to the plants. Now next is weeds. So weeds are nothing but these are the unwanted plants. Unwanted plants we can say. In short we can say unwanted plants. Okay, the undesirable or unwanted plants that grow naturally along with the crops. Those plants are nothing but weeds. So to kill the weeds we are having weedicides. So weedicides are nothing but these are the chemicals, okay, that kill the weeds. Weeds are controlled by using certain chemicals called as weedicides. Got it? So by using weedicides we are going to kill the weeds. So next, harvesting. So it is one of the process of gathering or cutting. Okay, cutting the crop after it is mature. Mature here is nothing but when the yield is completely grown. Okay, when the crop is completely grown, we are going to call that crop is mature. Okay, when we are getting the grains, okay, that thing we are going to call it as the plant or the crop is mature. After maturation of the crop, we are going to cut the crop, and this process we are going to call it as what? Harvesting. Okay, next is threshing. So it is the process of loosening the edible part of the grain from the straw to which it is attached. Okay, so if you see the rice grain, have you seen the rice husk, the wheatish color or the brownish color or the light golden color husk you are going to see, and inside you are going to see and this is the seed of rice and this is the husk. Husk is nothing but the external covering we can say. Okay, we have to remove this husk to get the rice. So how we are going to remove this husk? By the process called as threshing. Threshing is nothing but loosening the edible part. Edible part is nothing. Edible means what? Eatable part. What we are going to eat here? Rice. Okay, so eatable part of grain from the straw to which it is attached. We are going to call it a straw or the husk. So next is winnowing. So winnowing is also the process of separating heavier and lighter compounds of the mixture by wind or by blowing air is called winnowing. Okay, that means what? After we separate the grains in the field, what happens? Many dust particles are going to mix up with the grains. To remove that grains, what happens? The earlier methods, there were few methods, okay, to remove the dust particles or the husk. Okay, we can remove the husk by the process of winnowing also. Okay, or separating, not removing. It's not removing, it is separating. Okay, so winnowing is the process of separating heavier and lighter components of the mixture by wind or by blowing air is called winnowing. So winnowing, it is the process of separating heavier and lighter components of the mixture by wind or by blowing air is called winnowing. So it is to remove the dust particles or to remove the husk or to separate the husk from the grains. We are going to use this winnowing. It is done by physical method or it is done by any machine. Okay, it can be done both physically and by using machine also we can do this process.